Mortgage rates just might not come down this year, and that might not be a bad thing. So the jobs report came out today and crushed expectations again. Over 100,000 more jobs were created than anticipated over the last month. But in that number, wages continue to rise. And over the last decade, until the last several years, wages were not rising very much, but they have been considerably in the last few years. And Americans making more money, you taking home more money in your paycheck, well, that's a really good thing. So as we look at where rates stand right now, and the talking heads in the media talking about rate cuts, the Fed forecasting 3 rate cuts this year, and again, when they cut the overnight lending rate, which is what they control, it doesn't correlate directly to mortgage rates, which a lot of people will try to tell you it does, or maybe fear-monger you into thinking that. So there's a lot of moving parts here. Right now, the Fed can't cut rates. They cannot put us in a position where they cut rates and stoke the flames of the economy, and then all of a sudden inflation really gets out of control. Look at the late 70s, look at stagflation. That was a terrible, terrible time. We think mortgage rates are high right now, that homes would be absolutely, completely unaffordable if we had those kind of rates with today's prices. So definitely be careful what you ask for. I will continue to keep you updated, but the forecasts are just, about as accurate as the weather at this point. The one thing about our market that I will tell you in my 22 years of mortgage history of doing this is the most unpredictable market that we have in both real estate and mortgages. And so you have what you have, and the data will move the market as it does. But I'm not seeing rates come down this year. I'm not seeing, based upon these last 3 months now of data that we have coming out of our fingertips, huge drops in rates. It just doesn't support it in what we have. As always, if you got any questions, holler at your boy, 314-375-3293. Peace out.